For developers building APIs, GraphQL schema design can be time-consuming. Both Claude and ChatGPT offer to generate schemas from natural language prompts, but they approach the task differently. In a test using a product description for an e-commerce platform, Claude produced a schema with more detailed type definitions and explicit relationship annotations. ChatGPT delivered a functional schema with cleaner syntax but less built-in documentation. Claude included descriptions for each field and used directives to mark required relationships, while ChatGPT focused on minimal, production-ready types. The key difference was in how each model handled nested types. Claude created separate types for addresses and order items, reducing redundancy, while ChatGPT embedded some structures inline. For developers, this means Claude may be better for complex schemas with clear documentation needs, while ChatGPT suits rapid prototyping where brevity matters. Understanding these strengths helps teams choose the right tool for their GraphQL workflow.